Begin in tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Gently draw your right knee in towards your left wrist, placing your toes in front of your left knee and out to the side of the mat. Walk your left leg back, extending it behind you. Be mindful of that front knee. There's no need to force it. Once settled, create a pillow with your forearms for your forehead. Soften into your breath and rest here. You could prop underneath the gap with a block or a cushion, or sometimes people enjoy the sensation of feeling that space. And when you're ready, press into your palms, release your knee, and repeat the same on the other side.